In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create 3D text using free AI and Photoshop. First, head over to bing.com. Click on Images and then Create. Once you are logged in, type your prompt in the prompt bar. This is the prompt I'll be using for this video. As the AI is struggling to generate full words, we will generate each letter of our text separately. You have about 15 credits daily to generate your images. If you run out of credits, you can still generate images, it will just be slower. Once the images are generated, click on the one that you like and download it. Repeat the same steps for each letter. Simply change the letter in your prompt. Next, open Photoshop and create a new document of 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels. Open all the letters you have just generated. Choose the first one, select the Object Selection tool, and draw a selection like so. Add a layer mask. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl-T and resize the letter like so. Press Ctrl-R to bring out the ruler. Pull two guides like so. Select the second letter and follow the same steps. Click on this icon to remove the inside part of the A. Add a layer mask. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl-T and resize the letter like so. Follow the same process for each letter. Select all the layers and press Ctrl-G to group them. Name the group letters. Keep adjusting if needed. Add a vibrance adjustment layer, clip it, and max out the vibrance to make the colors more vivid. Remove the guides. Select the background layer and add a new layer. Press B and choose a soft round brush. Set the foreground color to black and click once on the canvas. Press Ctrl-T and resize the dot like so while holding Shift. Place it under the first letter. Hold Alt and drag to copy the shadow. Place a shadow under each letter. Select all the shadow layers and press Ctrl-G to group them. Name the group shadows. Reduce the opacity to about 85%. To finish up our design, unlock the background layer and double-click on it. Select Gradient Overlay and follow the process. That's it, I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also, check out other videos on my channel. Thanks for the support, guys.